Hello friends, my name is Vamsi Kumar from Manus Tech. Today we will learn about the WhatsApp automation with an attachments. Why I am making this video because yes, I have earlier uploaded as an UiPath automation for bulk messaging app in UiPath. So as Padma Shri, she was asking, is there a way to send messages instead of text? I mean send images. She wants to automate and send with the attachments in UiPath. So I am making this video for Padma Shri, and all you guys have to interested doing with me. Please try to do with me automation in WhatsApp. For this video, I mean for this automation, I am making any two videos. For basic purpose, if you have any default, if you know the attachment with this document or any PNG, I mean with an image, so I'm making this in this video as a basic documentation. I mean, stay tuned guys for more updates. Let me open my project here. I have the my project here, and I did the some practical automation I have did. This is the entire guys where once let me run, so you will get an better understand. You will get to know what I did in the project. Yeah, this is the my WhatsApp web guys, and let me run this project so you will able to understand what I did in this project. Yeah, 1 second guys, it was opening. This is the my contact uh, where you can able to search the, I mean the bot is opening right now. It was entering the some my contact, and take it as an input text messages, and opening it as an here I have mentioned only one photos or videos it is able to upload. uh, if I want to do dynamic, whether it is an attachment or the bot has to find out that that object is so I'm making another video for that one. This is the basic video to automate the process for this one, for an pictures or images. This is the my project guys. If I click on the send button, then it will go to the I mean then it will go to for the process, I mean it will send in a messages. This is the guys. Once let me explain my project so you will get understand. Firstly I have taken an read range. This is the my Excel file where I am placing the my contacts info and messages, where I have mentioned the my folder path and the what the attachment I am providing to the customer or any contact. This is the my Excel file. Yeah, you can check it here. Contact name I have mentioned as a name my contact names, and message what I required I placed a message. Here I have mentioned a file path, where the file is available. In the dynamic automation we have to specify the file path where the file is to get the file some specific folder or any name. Here I have mentioned again attachment. If you observe guys, let me open my folder my folder so you will get understand. Yeah, just a second guys. Yeah, this is the my folder where I have mentioned as a new folder dynamic. Yeah, new folder dynamic is the my file name here. Dynamic is the my file name. Yeah, again I have mentioned as a new folder auto is the my file name. That's the guys we have to send the my in attachments. Here I have taken only picture attachments. This is the explanation guys. First I have taken a read range activity to read the my Excel file. After I have taken an attach browser activity. Then after I have taken a for each loop, because I have to send multiple contacts. This is the I have taken an in DT because we have to mention in type of argument. I mean this is the we are taking inside. So I have mentioned is an in DT for the naming purpose conversation. Mm, then again I have taken an type into activity. Here I have to click on, I mean I have to type the my contact name like Anusar it will be display here. I have taken an a type into activity. Then after I have taken an again activity to click this activity. I mean, after fetching of the contact, we will enter the my contact. After the bot, I mean the bot able to fetch the some contact name. Then after we have to click it here. So I have taken an activity and I am passing the dynamic variable, I mean dynamic of attachments. Let me open my selector so you will get better understand. One second guys, my system is very slow little bit. Sorry, I have taken in the sorry guys, we here we are not passing any dynamic. If we want required we can pass it as taking as an a name activity, then we can a name is the attribution, so we can pass it there. uh, and here I am taking again after clicking of the contact, we have to go to type into message, type a message box, and then we have to type what the required message. And again I have taken an activity as an a click activity to click the attachment here. I have where I am taking an only picture images only right now. Then it was able to click here, then we are getting this pop-up message to upload the picture. So I am taking a click activity to click the attachment button. Then after I am taking as a click the picture button. Then I am taking an activity. Guys, this is the logic guys. If we are typing here directly here, we are doing it as in a manual, so we are able to do it clicking here. But while running of the bot, it was not able to click directly here and not able to type in. So instead of typing directly, I have taken an activity to click this one. After clicking this one, the bot able to write something here, type the bot able to type something here. Then after it goes to the project folder, I mean where the file is available, what we have mentioned in the path folder. Then it will able to go to here. Then after uh, it will fetch something like this, the folder name will appear here. Then after I have taken an activity to type into activity, again I have to find the file name where the file name is available. Then I will able to type it here by file name. If I for example if I take an I mean type an auto, then it will appear auto png. If you know the extension guys, then you will able to specify in the what we are providing in configuration file, and that means and what the messages are in the available. So then after I mean by clicking of this, I mean by entering of this one, the we have to click this one. After clicking on this, we have to click on the open button. So we will able to click on this button. By clicking that one, here I am writing the file name, and then after I am taking it as an click activity to below of the attachment, we have to click that one. Then again I am clicking on a button of the open button. Then it was going to do some operation. This is the guys where I have taken only one picture, one of the attachment. This is the project guys. You required the what I have did automation. And thanks guys for watching. Recently we have uploaded we have taken an initiative education for everyone, where we are providing the free education from the Udemy. Below we are mentioning the Telegram channel where you will get the all paid courses for free. Please join that, subscribe the channel and learn the courses guys. Thanks guys for watching this video.